Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kakongsi Kharkongor Deputy Commissioner jangka Southwest Khasi Hills District mentakasngi ke khandai terik unai wing arajar arpuar harengkat kajing sakhi lang ki self-help group ki patba nongrep jongga dong kathan kalayo ban pli ka yo ka Nyngkong e jongki nongrep haga district ka batip kum ka Mawkyrwat rural Hatt. Haga ni kasngi pli ka rural Hatt la don lang uba LT taryang EDC Southwest Khasi Hills District, Dr. Prabhu Datta Sahu, GM Nabart Chelong, Baai Lauranyang, BDO Mawkyrwat, Bat Kiwei ki officer. Yagani ka yo jong kinongrap la yo bante ha kamang pisa ka balay pulay laktingka, lingba ka jingbay pisa jong ka Nabart, Khatsan naktingka, MGNREGS Khatsan naktingka, Bat ka NRLM Lai laktingka, Bat ya ka Jakapat la ais ngobhada ka balang Presbyterian Mawkyrwat. Ka jingdon jong kani ka rural Hatt kalong ka jingkurku ka bakraw ki nongrap ka dong ka than, kum juru ya ki self-help group ha ka bakila banet di ya ki marep jong ki, ha ka dor ka babiang ha kani ka yo. Layo ban penipu iping shu ya kani ka program ha kani ka sngi, da ki jing roy ba ki jing shad na ki self-help group na rangblang bat dom jerti.
Kajing kirbok yang baik. Ya,
Pak Barok sesipat kepada pin shimik di jejak bat pin tersyam lagi.
Kasih Kaba kemenhan habak ngiyo ban play kat dia kene ke rural Hatt hakaju kapor ngiyo ru ban pli ban saki ban witness ba hamni lain tadi ki scheme jong government of India ki semrop lang ban penlong kat kene ka building kumbala kemenchua la ngila yosgo ba nangni la no sengyang kana ba ka narega MG narega ne ka shispasni bat ka MS RNS te kani company ba India trilang ka product ka end result jong ka ni ka jingtre ka khamhe banya ka sum in parts ka bumut ba dengila ban pulin ya resources jong imo ila ban peni ka building ka bahe shubo menpa na po shis passing ya khatsan la ngilung la ban bi kat kali ka building na MSRLS kinai laila kinum la ban mi kat kali na naba gru ki ai khatsan la ngilung la le habang yes niya telilang niya trilang niyo ken ban pni ya kali ka jingtre ka product ka final product ka behe bakaba penentoy te kaniya ru ka hikai yang iba la da ni long kiba unite kiba long kawe ni la bande ki kam kiba he pamarwai minum la teka juru kalong ya pi ki SHG marwai ikem thai pinum la bande bon pi ya shong ha ye pi shu up ye pi shu pe ya ka ye pi shat pi tiu ka ba ki pa ju pi dang le tre re haba pilong ka group piyo kata ka bor piyo ka strength umdi tamba pi la ban kamai kaji ka SI kani ka NRLM movement kami tamba shu kamai kaji kani man penlong ya pi ki kente ki beslur ki bedan ka personality ki bala ban mi seperti ki bala ban overcome yakini ki jinge ki badan hapo ki ba pia kendu hapo kemlang salam ngasngau buram shibun ya ka balang Mawkyrwat ka bala ai ya ka jaka namar hitebli da umtan jaka nginum yo kumbaki set haka khem hareng no land no roads no land no development kabamut ma dumdan jaka pinung yo surok dumdan jaka ka development karoi ka par ka numwan ringa nga ai mu ha ya ka balang Mawkyrwat Presbyterian bakala ai kat dia kena ke jaka hapdeng jom ka snong Mawkyrwat kalau ailat dia ni bangin thau kat dia kena ka building bat dia turu bat dia kena ka jaka sapo hoi dai asmu bende ba kami bantu tangang ni umbi tamo bin sudiang ni ka linkage ko ong iba tarian ka pidi banya link ya kena ka yo Shabar, bakumpa kingarap na po MSRLS. Makini idon ban yarap ya kata ban link ya ki products jopi Shabar. Kenapa pinang kami yakiu. Ti kum ka restaurant ru minta ngayos mo baka kidi kijimba babang. What hun tang ban di hang di. Pidi ban im banlet bo restaurant ng Shillong. Nang to pidi ban im banlet bo hapo Delhi. Namar kumta terben kumno pila bantip la ban yo le shabar kariru mo haba pidan kata thong pila ban poi sata ti kumta ngakwa ban oge pi kamde ban kut tangan ni pidi banya im meta ka porle ka khamsuk unde ko mag por ni ka ba hile tangan ni wa kiru ka shitam re meta ka ba
Rega is also NABARD. And regarding NABARD's work, you may be knowing or you may not be knowing, the government of work, the functioning of NABARD being a developmental financial institution is very big. Apart from our supervisory and credit functions, one of the most important functions of NABARD is development. And development, as the name goes, our name, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, anything and everything that pertains to rural area is of interest to us. And it's not only the production part of it, beyond production, what is the most important thing that comes to one's mind is marketing. If the produce, what is produced in the field, what is prepared by the rural artisans or weavers, if they are not marketed, if the producers are not getting their share a good, fair price, then why should they continue? What is the meaning of this production? Towards that, a very small effort is made, a small 2-3 windows we have created, and since 2016 we have been supporting this kind of intervention, particularly the rural Hatt, the one which is constructed and right in front of you, the rural mart. Mart means is basically a shop where we give support for our local producers to own up that shop. We support in terms of the rate, we support in terms of little bit of, the sale, the electric lighting and a little bit of the recurring part of it, the salary part of it, we will be selling it. So that we expect that our rural producers should understand the nuances of marketing, the nuances of dealing with public, the requirement of the public, how they can position and reposition themselves. Whether a home delivery is a requirement, whether a paper bag is a requirement, whether a kind of a bulk or quality maintenance is required, if they learn by themselves, then they can be better producer and better seller tomorrow. So that is a kind of a shop or rural mart that we also support. Apart from rural mart, is a bigger investment. I think by far the biggest investment in Meghalaya so far as the outlay is concerned, which is around 33 lakhs. And under this, NABARD support is 15 lakhs. And I'm glad to say that having released 12 lakhs, today itself we'll be releasing the remaining amount of 3 lakhs to MSRLS. So with that, our total support will be extended by today itself, the day of its inauguration.
Khasan lakinka niyoman ay nakamanrega siya building. Kani ka scheme hakabat ki trailan ki job card holder ki baya one dan mentalang magpinian ni kani ka building. Kumjur kaya ka kaya tindaw juga na bagro kabay khasan lakinka magpinian ni kani ka building. Kumjur na ka NRM na ka MSRLS kakabulong na lakinka. Mutang iyo yakani ka rural Hatt kabatan hangya po Mawkyrwat kasnong kajugihan ni.